angle of me. Do you not know which way to point the camera?
Shut up! Entertain them.
Just get a little closer, shall we? The door just opened really slowly and creepily and no one's there. So this is our second video ever! Yay. 2 days ago in health class, there was a boy who didn't know how to say menstrual. So there was a whole like to-do and the guys were being really annoying and stuff. So then the girls put together a little PowerPoint.
And we watched a brain pop video today about your time of the month. Super uncomfortable, and the teacher was sitting in the back of the classroom suggesting that we like do the activities that come after the video. Pretty sure one guy started crying and said that he didn't like vaginas anymore.
And then another guy almost flipped his desk trying to get away from the display pad that was being passed around.
Doing okay?
I gotta get the proper amount of poof.
You look like a red velvet cupcake.
Thanks. I almost brought my Peter Pan hat.
Wait a minute.
Fly away with me, Wendy.
I don't want to grow up.
My dog snores like that. I'll just go to sleep and be like... I won't be able to figure out what it is for like a long time, and I'm like, okay, there's something under my bed. I'm gonna die. Cookie Monster. Well, he does violently eat cookies.
I go with the whole break it in half and shove it in your mouth with 2 hands method. Oh man, we're just gonna be old vlogging women who have like terrible scoliosis in their spines and like hypoallergenic cats because you're allergic to like 8 different types of dander. Goldfish dander, platypus dander, panda dander.
Panda dander.
Okay, so that concludes our video for tonight. No, it was a bit shorter than the last one, but hey, we're running out of material.
I can't beat you for the video goodbye. I want to hit you and then don't do the goodbye. I'm done. Okay, you can do it now.
So stay excellent.
And I'm like drifting. Hello!
Oh shit.
Going for a little float over here.
Okay, wait. Is that good?